In the McGuire Center for Lepidoptera and the vivarium, we have about 6,400 square foot enclosure with about 2,000 exotic butterflies of about 75 to 90 species and about 4,000 total plants of about 620 different species. And the species list with plants and butterflies varies on a semi-daily basis because we're constantly trying new species of both to feed the butterflies and to amaze the visitors. Yeah, everyone knows there's a problem with honeybees called colony collapse disorder, which is a problem for beekeepers and for people who are trying to use bees for pollinating of food crops. The other three major pollinators in the world are butterflies, bats, and birds. And so because of the diminishing pollination by honeybees, butterflies have actually become even more important now as pollinators.
It's different than anything I know. It's different than anything I experience day to day. It's like being in a different place and time. The colors, the different. I'm learning something. This is all new to me. I mean, you take butterflies for granted, but when you're here, it's fascinating, and it really makes me more aware how fascinating everything could be.
Everyone loves to come through the door because your blood pressure drops about 20 points the minute you walk through the door. So it's the sound of the water, the sight of all the beautiful butterflies, the beautiful plants. It's very relaxing. I hate to say this, but I was recently quoted in Senior Times. I'm not ready for that demographic yet. I just haven't said how therapeutic this place is for you, but your blood pressure tends to drop when you walk out here just because it's so peaceful.